Alright guys, coming to you from the wood shop today. This is a really quick update here. I hate doing these little short videos updating you guys on what's going on. There's no way of really updating it here. I can't really put a post on YouTube telling you what's going on, so I just have to put a short video out. So just bear with me here, this is pretty short. But three things going on. Number one, if you guys have time, vote for me over on the FedEx website. The link's down below to that contest. Several of you guys have asked me to give you some reminders, so that's what this is. Number two, the shirts should be arriving to you guys this week. I've got several messages over on Facebook and a few phone calls from guys that's already got their shirts. So this week, everybody should be getting their shirts in the mail. So let me know what you guys think about the shirts. I really like the orange shirt. I thought it turned out really well. If you guys don't care, send me a picture of you wearing the t-shirt if you want to be on the videos. Just send it to outofthewoodsforestry@gmail.com. In the next few weeks, I'll start plugging those into the videos here and there, showing you guys wearing the shirts. And just give me a little information, tell me who you are in the email and where you're located at. And I'll take care of the rest. And number three is kiln drying lumber. I've been getting a lot of questions through email lately on kiln drying wood. And it's probably by the popularity of the kiln build series we did last year on the YouTube channel here. And that's really taken off here lately on the views, so a lot of people are just now seeing that for the first time. I'm getting a lot of questions about drying wood. So instead of doing a video series while I'm in front of the camera just talking like I am today, rambling on and on about lumber drying, I'm going to do a blog over on my website at www.outofthewoodsforestry.com. The first entry is already up on that. There's a link down below to it. I'm going to do a series on it every day this week, or as much as I can get done this week, explaining the different steps of air drying wood. And that can kind of be a reference for a lot of you guys who are interested in this craft, who are getting into it. You can refer back to that blog and kind of educate yourself and have a little reference to go back to later on down the road, because I got a lot of notes on drying wood, because when I was building that kiln, I took down a lot of notes and a lot of information from the sawyers that were sharing their knowledge with me, and I refer back to that notebook all the time. So that could kind of be your guys' notebook referring back to my blog, because it's going to be there indefinitely. So go over to the website if you're interested in reading about that and sign up for the updates, so every day when I do one of those, you'll get an email saying there's a new entry being posted. Because I'm not going to do a video every time I do an entry on there. It'd just be kind of silly just to do a 10-second video saying there's a blog entry over there. But anyways, that's what's going on this week. My son's on spring break, so I have no idea how much I'm going to be able to get done this week. But I will be doing a video tomorrow, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be sawing tomorrow or what's going to be going on. We got some crazy rain coming through tomorrow afternoon and probably late tonight as well, so not sure about that either. But anyway, just short update. Go check out the website. Give me a vote over on FedEx, and if you got a t-shirt, send it my way, the photo of you, and we'll put it on these videos. And guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And we'll see you guys maybe tomorrow evening if I get the video done. Maybe Wednesday. Yeah, something like that. I'm not sure. Who knows? We'll see you back this week. I'll do some more videos this week. And definitely check out that blog entry. I think a lot of you guys are going to get a lot of value out of that. Me sharing the stuff I've learned about kiln drying wood.